right now you can see that our viscosity has climbed to 36. Typically with ice cream, especially what we've been doing, we're in the 40s on when it's done. And if you look in here, you see it's a little bit soft still. It's got a little bit, I like it, it's kind of just wilting. I like it to be a little bit more firm and able to hold up. We've run about 7 minutes already. So we probably got a little bit longer, maybe another couple minutes. Now that could happen. We've taken a traditional pistachio recipe and added honey to that. Honey is very sweet. It has a lot of solids, so it slows down the freezing process. So we might need to add, let's say, another minute or two to the product and the cook time here. You see the viscosity is getting up, and look at the ice cream. It's starting to dry up. It's starting to firm up. Now if I hold it up, it doesn't just kind of wilt back into my tub. It holds its form a little bit more. Once I get to about 45, 46, I'm going to shut my refrigeration off and I'm going to whip the product for an additional 30 seconds or so. And essentially that's infusing air into it. So I'm going to whip it right now. We got to about 45, 46. And it's infusing air into it and it's giving me that expansion that I want. I could take it out right now and I probably got about 65, 70% overrun. I'm going to whip it a little bit and try to get to about 80. Now, we can also set the machine so it actually you could just freeze it. When it gets to a certain viscosity, you'll have the overrun you want and you can extrude it right into your tub too. A lot of different ways to make ice cream. Our batch machine with viscosity meter helps you infuse a little bit of science into the art of making the product. So I'm going to extract this out. When I extract it out, I'm going to raise my speed up all the way so the product gets out of the machine quicker and into my tub. Now as I do this, look at the nice smooth green consistency of that product coming out. I just want to fold it to the edges of my tub. I can actually smell the honey and the pistachio kind of melding together. And that's a nice light green color. You got to watch the deep colors because some parents and some people, they're a little put off when something's too deep because it looks very artificial. Whereas when something's lightly colored, it's got a more natural look and appeal. See, I'm just kind of folding it in there, making sure.
Like we always say, you don't want to beat it up and beat all the air that we just put in. You just want to lightly fold it, smooth it out.
Now look, I'm an ice cream geek, right? So I get excited. Look at the sheen of that ice cream. Look at the creaminess as I kind of fold over. I mean, that is just a combination of a good mix, a good recipe, and a great machine. Nice part is we can adjust this if we were doing quarts, if we were doing pints, we can actually lower this so the product comes out smaller to help me fill pints and quarts. When we're doing a tub, we go all the way. So I got all the product I'm going to get out of this bad boy. I'm going to shut my dasher off. We're ready to serve, right? The nice part about our machine, the way our dasher is designed, when you're done, look at the inside of that barrel. Look how clean that is. All the product is out of there and it's in our tub. Absolutely amazing.